1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Okay, so I already have my foundation and eyebrows, all that stuff done because I filmed another video on the basics of doing your foundation and eyebrows and all that stuff. So if you want to see that, the link will be in the description. Be sure to check that out for me, just for me. Thank you. And normally I do my eyes first. For this look, I'm going to be using my James Charles palette as usual because I always use this palette. Start off with, we're going to be using B, the yellow. That is gonna be the top shade. So now that that's done, we're gonna move on to the next shade, which is gonna be 518 right here, this orange. I'm gonna place that right under B. I'm using the same brush I used for B. I've never successfully done a halo eye, but I have improved in my makeup skills, definitely. Now I'm gonna go and use Rusted, but blend it in with 518. For the real shebang, we're gonna go into You're Kidding. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease and create the halo. So these two eyes look completely different, but you know what? It's like that naturally anyway, so. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Flashback, or you can use whatever white you got, and I'm gonna place that mainly in the middle. So to start off, I'm gonna go into You're Kidding and place that on the inner and outer parts of my eyelid. Next, we wanna go into 518, right here, the orange, B. And just for funsies, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Escape too out here. Okay, so I just added this really cute glittery line, glittery, and for that I just used the shade So Good on a teeny tiny little brush like this one. Okay, so this is the finished look. I added some lashes. The lashes I'm using are the faux mink wispies from Ardell, and the lip I'm using is LAX from ColourPop. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to give it a nice thumbs up, you know, leave some love down below, cause be sure to follow me on my Instagram. It'll be linked down below, unless of course I forget, in which case it won't be. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you.